ELR. We are continuing today with ELR. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Now, just see the first question which you have. Let me start from the reference to context. We will be doing the question answers tomorrow. Let me start from the reference to context. Okay, just see the first question which you have. Wetting all the people's feet, though they run with might and main. This is a line from the poem. Okay. What wets the people's feet? Who can tell me the answer? What wets the people's
Ma'am,
feet? Rain. Very good. The rain falling. Okay. Who does the word they refer to? Who are the they? Whom do we refer to?
Ma'am, people.
The people on the street. Yes, very good. And what does the word main here mean? Though they run with might and main. Main means?
Ma'am, strength.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, just see here. I have brought the answers for your also. Okay, just see here.
Yes, ma'am.
The rain wets the people's feet. They refers to the people affected by the rain. And main here means the strength. The strength which they overcome. The situation in which they are in. Followed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, the first question is clear. The first question with reference to context is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Now, coming up to the second question. Second question, somebody will read for me. Come on, read. Okay. Whom will I choose for reading? Yes, Priyanshu, read. Priyanshu, where is Priyanshu? Read Priyanshu. Please switch on your camera. Priyanshu, please switch on your camera. Yes.
What do beggar children do with no fire to cuddle to? Perhaps with nowhere warm to go. Why is the poet worried about beggar children?
Very good. Thank you. So again, somebody who's going to tell me the answer. Why is the poet worried about the beggar children? Chornodeep, tell me the answer.
Because they have nowhere to go.
Yes, they have got nowhere
Because
to
they have no
hide. Very good. Because they are beggars, they are poor people. So the poet is so much worried about them. Okay. The next question, Priyanshu.
Yes, ma'am. Why do the children need a fire to cuddle to?
Why do the children need a fire to cuddle there? Who can tell me the answer?
Because there is cold outside.
Yes, so when it's rain in the winter season, it's very cold there. And the beggar children, they need fire to cuddle up and sit down around it. Okay. The next, Priyanshu, number C. What does the word perhaps mean here? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, the question or the answer?
The answer.
And the word is perhaps.
Perhaps.
I don't know this answer.
Okay. Perhaps they might find somewhere or somebody to help them out. Okay. Perhaps the winter season will cease. Rainfall will cease and the summer will return back. This is what the word perhaps tells us about in the song. Now, what is the answer which is there for you all? Just see here. See here. What is the poet worried about? Yes, somebody else. Wait. Who's there? Wait. Prithvijay. Okay, Prithvijay. Pratik Swain. Okay, Prithvijay first read, then Pratik Swain will read.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ,
then
Prithvijay
I will read.
read. Please
Ma'am,
switch on
question
your
number
camera before reading. Answer
Okay, ma'am.
question 2, answer A.
Okay, ma'am.
Please switch on your camera. Yes, read. Yes, today you are in your school dress. Very good.
The poet is worried about the beggar children because they are homeless children. And during winter, they would be cold in the violent weather conditions.
Very good. So during the cold weather, they would feel cold in the violent weather condition which is outside. Okay. Very good. Pratik, tell me now the next answer. Pratik, please switch on your camera. Pratik,
Ma'am, which one?
the second answer, number B of the second question.
Children need a fire to cuddle on because during winter they would be cold due to extreme heat. A fire would make them warm and sustain themselves.
Yes, that the fire would make them warm and they would be able to sustain themselves. The fire, it's not they fire, it's the fire, okay? It's a mistyping there. So, the fire would make them warm and they would be able to sustain themselves. Sustain means leave, okay? If they cannot leave, they will seize. So, if they cuddle around the fire, they can sustain their life. Their life is at stake. Okay. Now, number C, the word means perhaps. The word perhaps here means perhaps only. Okay. Now, perhaps what? Perhaps what I told y'all. Perhaps winter is going to cease and summer will return back. They always have that hope in their mind. And perhaps they can find a home where they can just stay within and save themselves from the extreme weather outside. This is their thinking that perhaps God Almighty will take care of them. Understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Very good, very good. Now coming up to the next question. Number C, number 3 here. Okay. Somebody else is going to read for me. I just move up. Please wait. Please wait. Momita Das, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammad Islam, are you there? Muhammad Islam, I never found you in my class. Who are you, please? Muhammad Islam. Please respond. Muhammad Islam. Mr. Kingdom Gaming. Who is this person here? Come on, please respond. Mr. Kingdom Gaming. Yes, my child, please respond. Muhammad Islam and Mr. Kingdom Gaming. No responses are there. Prajwal Chetri. Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Prajwal is there. Okay, so Momita Das and Prajwal. First, Momita Das, read for me. I just pin you up. And next, Prajwal is going to read for me. Okay? Oh, somebody here has switched his video on Sharnodeep, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sharnodeep, wait. Next is your chance after Prajwal. Okay? Okay, so Momita Das, please switch on your video. Hello?
I will read the third question.
Yes, the third question. Switch on your video and read. Yes, very good. Water frozen. Read.
Water frozen in the pail. See the robins, brown and red.
Brown and red. See the robins? Brown and red. Water frozen in the pail. See the robin? Brown and red. Okay. Now, whom did I say the next?
Ma'am, I.
Yes, Prajwal. I know you will remember. Okay, Prajwal, just switch on your camera. Okay, Prajwal, there is something I want to ask you. Yesterday you have marked yourself present with a different number. Prajwal? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Why your registered number was not with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Okay. Now, if you are
Ma'am,
marking,
both number are mine.
both numbers are not there. Only one number is to be there. Your number, which is a registered number, that number is there with me. Okay. And the other number from which you have marked yourself, you have written down your name, but still, when you are attending your classes.
Ma'am, in the group.
Hello, Pratik? Please wait, I'm talking to Prajwal. Where is Prajwal? Yes, in the group. In the group,
Alright,
yes.
ma'am.
Prajwal, please try to mark yourself with your registered numbers. Two numbers cannot stay. Only one number, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Prajwal. Okay. So, Prajwal, come on, read question A. What is a robin? Come on, read.
Question number A. What is a robin?
Huh. Next, number B.
Number B. What is the water frozen in the pail?
Why is the water frozen in the
Number
pail?
C.
Why?
How does the weather affect the robin?
How does the weather affect the robin? Very good. Thank you, Prajwal. Now the next is Sharnudeep. Sharnudeep, it's your chance now. Tell me, what is a robin?
I don't know.
Robin is the name of a bird. Okay.
Can I tell?
Yes, of course. Who is this? Shonabu.
Ma'am.
Shonabu say.
Ma'am, robin is a small bird with a red beak.
Red breast. Very good. A robin is a small
Ma'am, can I
bird with a red breast. Okay.
Ma'am, can I answer
Vijay
number
wants to
C?
say something. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, they told that how they affect the robin. The robin is a bird. When the sky, ma'am, when it rains, the rain affects the bird. Mean the bird wants to get rid of rain, and it affects the robin.
Yes, of course. That's what is being said.
I mean, they told no. How does the weather affect the robin?
Yes. The weather doesn't affect the robin only. The weather affects all birds, all creatures, whoever is there. Okay. Okay, now let me ask somebody else here. Muhammad Islam is not talking to me. Muhammad Islam. Acha, today Produmno has not joined the class. Produmno?
Ma'am, maybe a personal reason.
Yeah, that might be. Why not? But Produmno, generally he joins the class, isn't it? Okay, Sharnodeep has...
Ma'am, today he didn't join any class.
Oh, is it so? Acha, then might be there are internet issues. Sujata Singh? Shonabo. Acha, Shonabo, without reading, you just tell me, why is the water frozen in the pail? Shonabo? Why is the water frozen in the pail?
Ma'am, because of ice and hail.
It's winter
Because,
season.
ma'am,
Okay.
because it is winter.
Winter season, yes. And the water is in the pail
Ma'am,
has
because of ice.
ice and hail. Very good. Thank you. I knew you all understood the chapter very well. This shows me that you all understood the chapter very well. Now, how does the weather affect the robin? Prithvijay has already said. Now, let me come up here for the answers which I have brought for you. Just see here. Number 3. Just see. Robin is a small bird with a red breast and brown back. All of you know this, okay? So robin, it's a small bird, okay? It is greatly affected in the weather. It has got a red breast and a brown back. You know, as in many forests and all, suppose after a very stormy night, if you go to the forests, if you just walk inside a little bit where trees are not very dense, you will find out that the small chicks of the birds are fallen down, who like they could not go through the weather at night and they just fell down and they are dead. Okay, if you once I had gone through and I had seen many chicks, okay, many small chicks fallen down from the trees. You know, birds, they make their nests on the top of the trees only, isn't it? And the birds, they are not so strong also that they will protect the chicks from this stormy weather. Now when there is a storm at night and in the morning, if you go near the trees and all, you will find that the chicks, they are fallen down, okay, and they are all, many chicks, they are dead. Some of the chicks are there who have lost their feet and all. It's a real, what to say, we cannot even imagine of such a kind of life, okay. The small birds, they really suffer in this season, okay.
Ma'am, is there any particular season?
Yes, of course, like in the rainy season we suffer from the storm. When it is a stormy night, people who are outside their home, like the beggars and all, they are already suffering. We stay within our house, so we do not feel what is their suffering outside. Okay, but the people who are suffering outside, they only feel what is the worst thing, what is the worst effect of the weather. Okay, understood. And in the winter season also, many people die in the winter season because of this extreme cold. Okay. Okay, so now coming up, due to question number 3C. Due to the ice and hail, the water is frozen in the container and the robins wait to be fed. Okay, the robins, they do not even get food in this weather. Why? Because people do not move out. The fruits and all have fallen down. The winter season, no fruits are there. In the autumn, we are collecting the fruits. Isn't it so? In the winter, there are no fruits in the trees. The birds, they depend upon what we people we throw away on the roads. And when it's winter, what happens? We people don't move out of our houses. There are some people who give food to the birds also, isn't it? But in the winter season, when there is hail and storm, we do not move out of our houses. So the birds, they are without food. Followed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how they are affected by the weather. Okay, understood everybody? Everyone? Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I am Ronindu De. Ronindu De, is it morning now for you? Yes, Ronindu? Hello, Ronindu? Which Gmail you are in my class with? Just let me just show me. Yes, Ronindu, that gaming Gmail which came inside just now.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh, so very good. It's morning for you now, isn't it? Ronindu, good afternoon. Where is Ronindu? Again gone away. Hello, Ronindu. Good afternoon. Yes, it's good afternoon. Okay. Okay, come on. Now, let's go for the next question. What is that? Number 4. They are waiting to be fed. Poor dears. Trideep, come on, read for me.
Ma'am,
Please switch on your camera. Yes, read for me.
they are waiting to be fed. Poor deers battling in the gate. A. You are waiting to be fed.
Who are waiting to be fed? Okay, Obrojit, tell me who are waiting to be fed?
Ma'am, the birds are waiting to be fed.
Birds are waiting
I
to
can
be
tell.
fed.
Ma'am, I can
Okay, yes,
Ma'am,
okay.
robins are waiting.
Okay, okay. So, who are waiting to be fed? The birds are waiting to be fed. What is a gale? Who can tell me?
Ma'am, it is a very strong gale. Is a strong wind.
Strong rain. Okay. And why are they battling the gale? Why are they battling the gale? Yes, say.
They are surviving the gale.
Suffering. Very good, Sangamitra Roy. Okay, yes, they are suffering. That is a battle for them. Okay, it's a battle for them. So they are suffering in the winter season. They are suffering due to the worst condition of the season. So it's a battle for them. So the sentence, they are battling the gale. Followed everybody? Now let me find out
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answers here. Just see. Number 4, robins are waiting to be fed. They are not fed properly. Every bird waits to be fed in the winter season. Please try to remember, okay? Whenever you are throwing away your foods, if it is winter season, try to keep in some corner of your garden where the birds can come and have the food, okay? It will be very helpful for them.
Okay, ma'am.
You all are throwing it away, isn't it? Do not throw it in the dustbin. Come and go and keep it in the corner of your garden where the birds and the small animals.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my mother gives food to the birds.
Is it so? Very good, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the terrace of our apartment, there is a pigeon house. We made it for the pigeons.
Is it
and
so?
keep their food and water.
Very good. Very good. You know, we being the human beings, we should be helpful to these animals, okay? If they are extinct, we will also be extinct. We are all related.
Ma'am, ecosystem.
Ecosystem, in this ecosystem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is seen in the movie 2.0.
Oh my god. So you are up to a movie now? Who's this? Let me find out. What's your name? Rinku Sharma. Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
yes,
it
yes.
is, ma'am, I have seen the USA, no?
Huh.
The VR depend on the bird. It is related to a movie 2.0.
Oh, yes, yes. My video, isn't it so? Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. You watched my video at least. You know, I make the
Well,
videos with so much care. If you all do not watch, I will really be very angry. Okay. Now the last question, let me just explain you all. Your time is also over. Just see here. Gale is a very strong wind. Gale means a very strong wind, okay? And they are battling the gale because the weather condition of the winter is extreme. Come on, come on, come on, do not talk. And they are fighting to survive in the hail and ice. They are fighting to survive in this winter condition. Followed everybody?
Yes, ma'am.